It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hi there guys! Good day! So ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang ano nga ba ang bookkeeping, okay? When you hear that word, ano nga ba yung naiisip natin? It is the process, okay, of recording systematically all financial transactions undertaken by a business, okay, or an individual in a chronological manner.
When we say chronological, that means the records or the recording are done daily. Okay, it can be daily, it can be weekly, all right? And these records are arranged according to the order of time.
Okay, so recording to guys sa mga transactions or business transactions sa mga negosyante. All kinds of businesses. Alright? So, it also covers classifying.
Now, when we say classifying, we are going to sort these transactions according to its group. Okay? For example, cash and accounts receivable is classified as asset accounts, and accounts payable is classified as liability accounts. Okay, so take a look at this chart. This is called the chart of accounts. As we can see, there is that asset accounts, liability accounts, expense accounts, and revenue accounts. So we are going to familiarize this account so we can classify those transactions in the business.
And at the end of the cycle period, included in the bookkeeping is the summarizing the record and properly classified business transactions for a given accounting period. So, usually, yung mga bookkeeper ay tinatawag sila na accounting clerk. Alright? Sila yung nagpe-prepare ng mga book of accounts. Okay? So, yun yung trabaho nila. So, nga ba yung objective ng bookkeeping? Alright? So, bakit nga ba may bookkeeping? Okay? So, ang objective ng bookkeeping is to have a permanent record in all business transactions. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-objective ng bookkeeping. Okay? Alright? And it also records, syempre, income. It records the expenses of the business in such a way that the net profit, okay, may be calculated accurately. Okay, so yun yung mga trabaho ng mga bookkeeper or the accounting clerk. And also, it records assets and liabilities of the business in such a way that the financial position of the business may be ascertained. Okay, so napaka-importante ng role ng mga bookkeeper sa mga businesses. Okay, are the advantages when you have a bookkeeper in your company or in your business. Bookkeeper helps a lot in your company because it helps you. It helps you in your to have a permanent and reliable records. Okay, and of course, okay, also it helps the business understands the progress, okay, and understands the financial position of your business. So now, i-differentiate natin ano nga ba yung kaibahan ng bookkeeping at saka yung accounting. Accountant can do the work of the bookkeeper, but the bookkeeper can't, alright, can't stand as an accountant. Okay? Alright, so ang kaibahan nila is in bookkeeping, alright, bookkeeper is involved. Involved lang siya. Alright, so involved lang siya in the recording, of course, planning, keeping, and but when we say accountant or when we talk about accounting, That is the planning, the keeping, analyzing, and interpreting of accounting records. So, isa yun sa mga kaibahan nila. Okay? Another difference is keeper records, posts, and prove the financial data. Okay? But the accountant or in accounting, okay, are to interpret, okay, the recorded data, okay, and assisting the management for decision making. Alright, so another difference is the bookkeeping, they are called bookkeeper, okay, and in accounting, they are called accountant. As we are talking about business, kasi syempre ang bookkeeper, yung trabaho niya, syempre nagre-record siya sa mga business transactions. So we have to know the definition of business. Okay, so business is defined as the social science of managing people to organize and maintain productivity towards accomplishing particular productive goals. Okay, and business usually, alright, generate profit. Okay, so lahat naman talaga ng mga businesses, yung pinaka main goal nila is ang profit. Okay, so tumutulong ang mga bookkeeper dyan. Okay, accurate lang yung pagka-classify, pag-identify, at pagre-record ng mga transactions. Okay, so we will be talking more on how to journalize and how to business transactions. Okay, so my target market here is the senior high school students or those who want to get a bookkeeping in C3. I am not going to talk about QuickBooks, okay, because that is an accounting in more advanced at gumagamit na yan ng technologies. So pinaka-basic muna tayo, okay, yung mga gustong magkuha lang ng NC3 in bookkeeping. Right, so we do have four nature of business. Okay, so that is the service concern, alright, service concern, the merchandising, the manufacturing, and the agriculture. Okay, so when we talk about service concern, that is the business derive its income from services rendered to clients. For example, the laundry shops, okay, the barber shop, the dentists, okay, the repair shops, janitorial servicing, okay, so that is the nature of those businesses is service concern. Okay, second nature of business is the merchandising business. Okay, that is the retail, okay, the retail industries. Okay, the business, when we say merchandising, the business is engaged in buying goods or commodities with any form of finished products. Okay, so finished products na siya. For example, sa mga bili sila ng mga canned goods, okay, finished products, tapos binibinta nila for a profit, magma-mark up na sila. Okay? Alright, so it can be a retail or a wholesale basis. Okay, so grocery stores, yung mga ready-to-wear RTW. Okay, third one is the manufacturing. Okay, so when we say manufacturing, that is the business is engaged in buying of raw materials and supplies to be processed or manufactured and then convert them into finished products. Okay, for example, furniture. Okay, they buy raw materials and then convert them into finished products. So that is manufacturing, the third nature of business. Okay, and then the fourth nature of business is the agriculture. Okay, so the business is engaged in planting of course, planting crops and sells its products either in raw or finished form at a profit. So, lahat talaga ng nature of business, may profit. Tsaka, kailangan natin itong malaman. Yes, may lesson 1 in bookkeeping, and if you want to know more, we will do journalizing. I'm going to present to you the general ledger, the trial balance, and so on. Okay, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa next lesson ko about bookkeeping. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Georgie. Good day!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.